DC power supply is a circuit that converts AC voltage to DC voltage and supply constant power to operate a circuit or a system. It's made of transformer, rectifier, filter, and regulator. Transformers are used commonly to transfer electrical energy between different circuits while isolating electrically, so no current transfer. The main component in rectifier is the diode, and diode is a device that allows the current to flow in one direction. It consists of a positive terminal that's majority is holes and minority is electron, and called anode or p-type, and negative terminals that's majority is electrons and minority is holes, and between them there is a region called the depletion region or a PN junction. When connecting the positive terminal of voltage source with anode and negative terminal with cathode, the current will flow because the positive terminal will repels with majority of anode, which is holes, and negative terminal will repels with majority of cathode, which is electron. So the depletion region will become smaller and current will flow. But when connected oppositely, depletion region becomes bigger due to attraction between electron and positive terminal in cathode and holes and negative terminal in anode, so no current will flow. There is a two type of rectifier. One half-wave rectifier, and it's simply rectifier circuit that converts an AC voltage to DC voltage by rectifying only one half of the input waveform. It uses one diode to allow current flow in one direction and block it in the opposite direction. The second type is the full wave rectifier, and in full wave rectifier both halves in input AC wave will be rectified, and it also consists or have two types. One, the center tap full wave rectifier. This circuit uses center tap transformer and two diodes connect in configurations that allow current to flow in only one direction through the load resistor. During the positive half cycle of the input voltage, current flows through one diode and the load resistor, and during the negative half cycle the current flow through the other diode and the load resistor. And the second type of full wave rectifier is a bridge full wave rectifier. This circuit uses four diodes arranged in bridge configuration to rectify both halves of input waveform. During positive half cycle, current flows through two diodes and load resistor, and during the negative half cycle, current flow through other two diodes and the load resistor. Filter is a circuit that reduces the variation in rectified voltage, and it's made of capacitor connecting in parallel with load resistance. During the positive half cycle of the input waveform, the diode conducts and charges the capacitor to the peak value of the input voltage. The capacitor stores electrical energy during this period. During the negative half cycle, when the diode block current, the capacitor discharges through the load resistance, supplying current to the load. This discharge smooths out the output voltage.